everybody! Today we will be making chocolate truffles with one of my adorable little best friends, Danica! Behold! Are you ready to make chocolate truffles? Are you excited?
Yes, chocolate is the best!
Is it better than me? Just kidding. And guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell, and subscribe. Yeah. Now we'll need
8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate,
2/3 cups of heavy cream,
1 tablespoon of salt and butter,
and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Your favorite topping.
And let's go!
Chop your chocolate into some very small pieces and place it all into a heat-proof bowl now. Warm your heavy cream until it simmers just like this. It shouldn't be too hot or way too cold now. Add the butter to your chopped up chocolate. Add the heavy cream on top. Wait 5 minutes, but don't stop. Let the vanilla cast its spell. Wait for your chocolate to melt. Now grab some plastic. It's so fantastic. Wrap it directly around the surface. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Now, na 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 na. And while we're waiting, we're always dancing, making truffles out of chocolate, chocolate, la la la.
Once your mixer has set in the fridge, scoop it in small amounts.
Now, since they are extra creamy truffles, they can also be a bit sticky to roll into balls. So before you roll your chocolate mounds, stick them into the fridge for another 20 minutes to allow them to dry out.
Now it will be less sticky to roll. Now we're going to take them out of the fridge. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take every truffle, roll it, and then dip it in the Louis pocket.
Chocolate makes our spirits soar. This is why we come back for more. Thanks for watching our episode. We love you. We love chocolate. It's so delicious and so amazing and so addictive. We're making truffles out of chocolate, chocolate, la la la. Come on and bake with us, join in the fun with us, and also dance with us. Enjoy these treats with us. We made these truffles out of chocolate, chocolate, la la la.
Also, this is not necessary at all, but I took some chocolate and I'm gonna rub it on my face. I'm a good face painter.